So the GTR other day, I gotta go meet up transporter guy, and I'm having Lino drive this great GTR to follow me. Let's go. Last sight of this white GTR. Next, sell this one. At least I got one more GTR saved up. The semi is here. You see it. Last goodbye. Oh, that's a long one. They couldn't come to the land, so had to meet him here. Hopefully GTR can make it up this big old thing. Oh, should have a big ramp, huh? $5:57. We are getting ready to go Flavor Express at Grange.
Oh, it's Flavor Express?
Yeah. Looks like there's gonna be a lot of drivers. Lino made yakisoba for the lunch, boiled egg for the morning, and banana bread for the morning. Jordan, what are you getting ready for?
I'm packing milk in my hydro flask because I'm
you
having cereal
serious?
for breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast and lunch cereal. Let's go.
Yeah, I boiled some eggs yesterday, so I'll bring some boiled eggs too.
Oh, nice. You actually cooked
Some protein.
You cooked something?
Yeah, I put eggs in water.
Well, still, not milk and cereal. I never seen anyone put.
Oh my god, that's a big bowl.
How much milk do you need?
It should be good.
Milk guy. Got gimbal and camera ready. And got mini GoPro.
Because Josh is in Arizona.
Josh is in Arizona. It's just cruising with us. Sun's about to come up. We rolling out. Ready?
Nice.
You put your seatbelt on.
Let's go.
That for some B-roll, bro?
Huh?
Saving that for some B-roll?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I have no idea. Well, drive shaft is like, I can't even
Turn it.
turn the drive shaft.
Maybe it's trans then?
Well,
It's
it
like
goes
thinks
in,
it's stuck in gear.
no, it goes in gear. I put in first or reverse,
Uh-huh.
and like let the clutch go, but tire won't even spin. But e-brake is like cables attached and loose,
So maybe it is
and then
diff.
it has that much play. But they won't even move.
It's probably your diff then, I would imagine. Does that make sense?
Maybe.
Another thing you do is take
And if it is diff, I can take diff out. Sick. What could happen? It could be little thing. Spin. ねえねえ、ギア入れてみて。
Hey!
What's up, everyone on YouTube?
I have no idea why.
Can you unload my car for me?
Unload?
Yeah.
Can you take diff out?
Yeah, I'll try.
This is locked. This is so not fun.
At least it's not scorching hot.
Alright, let's go drive.
A1 from day one, Kota. I just gave him away. Oh! Oh, he's strong.
That's gonna take a while.
You got a freaking thick cloth, bro.
Oh, the red
Hey, wait,
towel.
you have a mask.
Yeah.
You want me to get one?
Do you have extra?
Do it through his shop time.
I had to hold it.
Hey,
It's impenetrable. It's COVID proof.
COVID proof.
I'm just gonna use my hand. Make sure there's no big chunks, you know. Oh, there's no chunks. What you talking about?
Give this day a letter grade.
Yeah, B minus. Car didn't break. Axle's still kicking, even though it's been clicking for like a year and a half. So that's good. Me and Kota got some tandem. That's the only thing that happened.
Kota, rate this day like A, B, C, D, E, F.
Like what? Z is the.
Like F is a bad
Wait, how do
grade.
you guys grade it?
Japan.
You do
Like-
like 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, like you grade paper? Okay, so grade
1
it.
to 5.
1 to 5. Today.
2.
2? Is that good or bad?
Good.
Okay, that's what you said. You said B, so that's a 2,
Yeah,
right?
pretty much like, yeah.
Yeah, same.
Oh no, I said it wrong.
You said it backwards.
I barely went to school in Japan. Damn it. 5 is the best.
You said it backwards.
Oh, you gave it a D then.
Damn it.
Reno's like, hold on.
Hold on. Oh, my fresh wheel.
You got the wheel too? Oh, I didn't even notice.
You don't got white car.
No.